I'm Williams Hustle, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to withdraw your seed to centralized exchange just like Bybit, KuCoin. But you know that currently seed is being listed on major exchanges like KuCoin, BinX, Mexi, and the rest of them. So a lot of people are finding it difficult to transfer their seed tokens to their exchange so that they'll be able to sell. And right now I have to tell you more about what's happening. So if today is the first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, because I always talk about crypto, finance, and basically about tech. So anything about how to make money, I'll be all around person. I dey hustle everywhere. So if you want to join me in my own roadmap, because this is actually my roadmap and this is what I follow, anything how to make money in any niche, I'm actually available. So I'll be showing you guys different things on this channel. Please do well to subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more updates. So let's go back to what brought us to this video. And currently the thing is, seed cannot be claimed to major exchange. There is no way we can transfer seeds to exchange. That is it. So you just have to understand what's going on. I just have to say the truth, because a lot of videos you'll be watching on YouTube that this is how to claim, they are just posting rubbish. It's not actually the real video. So I'll just have to tell you the truth that there is no solution currently how to transfer your seed tokens to exchange, so you'll be able to sell them and to USDT, so you can use the money. So I made a lot of research. I went through their channels, if they've made an announcement that no one else knew about them, or I just try to find solutions, but currently no solution to it. So the only thing available on this place is transfer. So there is no withdrawal option yet. There's no withdrawal option. You can see that this transfer and deposit, it's actually meant for you to transfer your spending app to wallet, and from wallet to spending app. That's what this place means. That's deposit and or transfer. So if you click on this arrow up, arrow down button, this you can see that some assets appears down here. These are the available assets that are here: sloves, seed months, and month boxes. There is no other asset. So likewise, if that means you have to send from the spending wallet to spending app to wallet. And if you have to send from wallet to spending, this will be within this page. It will be within this page. There is no withdrawal option that will enable you to transfer to your exchange currently. So you just have to get the information and stop, because I know you'll be very, very mad at this time. You'll be angry that there's no way. So this is just the truth. There is no update now. So please, I will advise you to subscribe to my channel, so that anytime there is an update, because I'm making research, so that I'll get more update about how to claim. Once I get the solution to it, I'm going to post it immediately. So just do well to subscribe to this video, hit that like button, comment below, and share to your friends. See you guys in my next video.